Hello everybody, so I'm doing a vlog today and this is morning. So my morning actually starts with my plants. So this is this is नीलकंठ. I think इसको अपराजिता भी बोलते हैं, I'm not sure. तो it's summer तो थोड़ा बहुत the रोज़ उतना ज़्यादा मतलब क्या कहते हैं डेंस नहीं है. ये है मेरा येलो हिबिस्कस जो फूटने वाला है. दिस इज़ रेड हिबिस्कस, ये है तो. एंड समथिंग आई एडेड, दिस इज़ द स्पाइडर प्लांट और ये है मेरा छोटू सा एलोवेरा. डोंट प्लीज़ इग्नोर दिस मेस, ये इसी का पानी पूरा आता है. एंड दिस इज़ तुलसी जी. तो येस, माई मॉर्निंग इज समवेयर लाइक दिस. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल मॉर्निंग. वेदर इज़ सुपर क्लाउडी और बहुत सही है वेदर. एंड या हमारे यहाँ लॉकडाउन टिल 1 o'clock तक हो गया है. सो स्टिल द रोड इज़ कम्प्लीटली गॉन एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट द वेदर इज़ गाइज. हेलो एवरीबडी, हैप्पी फ्राइडे. आज मेरा एक्चुअली वीक ऑफ है. सो आई थॉट एक व्लॉग बन जाता है बिकॉज आज सुबह ओके द टी शर्ट दैट आई एम वेयरिंग इज़ दिस वन. एंड ये मैंने लिया है एक्चुअली अपने होम टाउन से, विच इज़ नागपुर. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन माई बैल्कनी. आई डोंट नो वाई, अगर मेरा छुट्टी रहा या कुछ भी रहा, आई लव स्टेइंग इन बैल्कनी. आई लव माई बैल्कनी एरिया. आई डोंट नो वाई बट आई रियली लव. और एक थिंग, आज मेरा वीक ऑफ था. सो मैंने बोला था मैं सैटरडे को गिव अवे डिस्पैच करूँगी, बट आज मेरा वीक ऑफ था तो मैंने आज ही डिस्पैच कर दिया बिकॉज काफ़ी लेट हो रहा था. एंड आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट एनी मोर डिले इन दैट. सो नेक्स्ट वो डिस्पैच हो गया है और वो DTDC से हुआ है. सो यू गाइज होपफुली विल गेट योर पार्सल्स वेरी सून. मेरी स्किन की हालत बहुत ख़राब है. आई डोंट नो वाई. इट्स एक्टिंग रियली वियर्ड. आई रियली डोंट नो. तो आज आई थिंक मैं अपने आप को पैम्पर करने वाली हूँ. और अगर मैं बोलती हूँ पैम्पर, देन पैम्पर ऑल्सो मीन्स कि मैं थोड़ा क्लीन अप करूँगी. एंड अब मेरे बाल थोड़े बहुत वाइट या ग्रेइश है, तो आई थिंक दैट ऑल्सो आई एम गोना डू. ये कुछ ऐसा हो रखा है वेदर. मेरे घर से गोलकुंडा भी दिखता है, विच मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. तो हिली काइंड ऑफ दिख रहा है, वो है गोलकुंडा. सो गोलकुंडा इज़ वेरी मच विजिबल यहाँ से. एंड वेदर इज़ सो ऑसम गाइज. कांट टेल यू कितना सही वेदर हो रखा है. वन मोर अपडेट मैं देना चाहती हूँ कि एप्पल साइडर विनेगर समथिंग जो मैं आजकल ले रही हूँ. एंड एप्पल साइडर विनेगर को आपको कैसे कंज्यूम करना है, आप एक नॉर्मल 1 कप पानी ले लीजिए, उसमें आप छोटा टीस्पून एप्पल साइडर विनेगर डाल लीजिए. इट वेरी मच हेल्प्स इन रिडक्शन ऑफ वेट, विच राइट नाउ आई नीड इट बिकॉज पता नहीं क्यों मुझे लग रहा है मैं मोटी हो रही. आई एम रियली नॉट श्योर, बट आई नीड टू एक्चुअली लूज डाउन ऑल्सो. दैट इज फर्स्ट थिंग. Second thing, if you are a person who has triglyceride or cholesterol or something like that, that will help you to a greater extent. So actually my husband is actually having a little bit of triglyceride, तो मैंने start कर दिया है कि let's take apple cider vinegar and just see the difference. So that is also there. It helps to control the cholesterol and also a lot of other things. And the most important is आपके body का metabolism will be super good. And I think we want our body metabolism to be super good. So that is something which I included in this. And I think I will be coloring my hair because पता नहीं क्यों यहाँ से तो ब्लैक दिख रहे हैं बट अंदर के एरिया. सो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इन माय टीनेज डेज की जैसे ही मैंने नहा लिया मैं बाल बांध देती थी, जैसे मैं अभी बांधी हूँ बिकॉज आई लव टाइंग माई हेयर. माई हेयर्स आर रियली फ्रिजी गाइज. तो इसकी वजह से थोड़ा अंदर के बाल वाइट हो गया. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना डू दैट ऑल्सो द क्लीन अप पार्ट क्योंकि मेरा वीक ऑफ है. एंड लेट्स सी कैसा चलता है आज का व्लॉग. लेट्स जस्ट वॉच टिल द एंड कि मैं अपना वीक डे कैसे सेलिब्रेट करती हूँ. एंड येस, at home I'm chashmish, so I do wear chashma also. So that's pretty much guys. Let's see अब next क्या करते हैं. खाना वाना बनाने के बाद मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ. तो घर पर है, सो ऑब्वियसली कलरिंग ऑफ द हेयर इज़ अ लिटिल डिफ़िकल्ट. सो मैं ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि मैं बाहर जाऊँ एंड देन कलर करूँ. तो मैंने यहीं पे कुछ जुगाड़ कर लिया है. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग लाइक फ्रॉम द college time. Now by the way, my nail color, I am going to show. Many of you guys have actually asked me कि दीदी आपने कौन सा nail color लगाया है. Yes, this is really really pretty guys. तो मैं ये बताने वाली हूँ कौन सा nail color है. Before that, let's just straightly see कैसे कलर कर सकते हैं. This is one of the best hair colors. And अगर इसमें आपको अगर इंडिगो का मिलता है, that is also good. This is you know, black naturals and this is in the shade burgundy. Very affordable guys. और इसके अंदर मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कैसे आपको मिक्स कर. It is a colorant, so please wear something because it will leave stain. And one more thing, अगर कलर लगाने से पहले please you know, do your hair wash properly because अगर बाल wash रहेंगे that will be much more easier. So let's just quickly do it and I'll come and meet up. ये फ्यूचर में बनेगा बार्बर. So finally, let's see how the color turns out. Hello everybody, so evening time है. मैंने hair color अभी भी लगा के रखा है. So I did not work out with my hair color. I'll just take a quick shower after I you know, before we actually offer a prayer in the evening. So let's see कुछ evening snacks के लिए because आज मेरा week off है. So I had some beautiful pakoras. So I'm just going to show you. तो ये बन रहे हैं पकोड़े एंड विथ अ वेरी मिनिमल तेल. तेल ऐसा है कि बिल्कुल भी कम. फर्स्ट बैच तल चुका है एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट द पकोड़े इज़. एंड डेफिनेटली गर्मा गर्म चाय तो बनती है. सो फटाफट इवनिंग स्नैक्स करने के बाद एंड आई विल मीट यू गाइज विथ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो. सो यस, लेट्स कैच अप. Hello people, I'm still dirty. I did not wash my hair. I mean the color वाला hair, but I'm ready to snack something because आज मैंने सुबह से पोहा खाया था and little you know चावल with little bit of fish curry. तो I thought कि कुछ अच्छा बन जाए आज. So the chai and pakode are ready and this tray is something which I got from I think Mussoorie when we went for honeymoon. So yes, evening time. So I have received some products. I have actually washed my hair and you won't be able to see the color now because I think थोड़ा dry होने के बाद, सूखने के बाद we will see the color, but otherwise we won't be able to see the color इतनी जल्दी. So it will take some time for the color. Next I got few products like eyeshadow palettes. I'm just gonna show you. So I will be reviewing these products very soon. So this is Huda Beauty, definitely not the original one, so I will also be doing the review on this. And amazing product of Swiss Beauty guys, this is a beautiful highlighter. Definitely I will do a review of it. I think this is by far the best highlighter. And one amazing nude palette from Shreon. So these three I received today, so definitely I will be reviewing that for you guys. And also I actually you know, cleaned this area which I told you that I wanted to clean. So I cleaned actually this area and I have moved all the unnecessary stuffs over here. So yeah, so cleaning of the area a little bit I did that. And also you wanted to know which nail color I am wearing. Yes, some of you have actually asked me. So this is from TS. Yeah, the TS ka thing is there. So this is a beautiful, I am in the shade Sequel. I think this you will get easily in Big Bazaar. Yeah, I got it from Big Bazaar ka thing. So you will definitely get that. Right now I am in my like comfortable wear. So yeah, definitely I think today or probably Sunday or Saturday I will be filming the complete cleanup because this things and everything and this mark is not going. So I'm just definitely be filming a cleanup. And also I have got other products. Let me show you what all products I got it, and I will be reviewing very soon. The first product of Mamaearth is something that I got, and yeah, I will be reviewing that, which is a beautiful I think this is beautiful shower gel. This is Mamaearth ka charcoal shower gel. I wanted this for a really long time. Please ignore the mess in my room. So that is that. And such a scary god. This is a detan thing, so I will be reviewing very soon this detan pack, because you know, at home also you tend to get detan, and also I will be making a separate review of this diamond facial, so that is also coming very soon, guys. So stay tuned to my channel, and there will be lot of other updates. Right now I am planning to watch some web series, because I was waiting for a web series, a Bengali web series, for a real long time. So I will be watching that, guys. That will be there. So yeah, the weather in Hyderabad is really good. It is actually raining, guys. I'm in my comfortable wear, because since morning I have actually done a lot of job, because I feel week off is also something which is very hectic, guys, because घर का आधा काम रहता है, which I completed. And yeah, the weather right now is so good. It is actually raining, guys. It is so good. Everywhere it's raining. Can you see that? That is Golconda Fort. The construction ka building and uske piche that is Golconda ka fort. So that is there. I took bath, so will be a little coffee. So yeah, that's pretty much, guys. I think at night I will be filming few videos, I think specifically for the skincare, or I will be filming a video on the glass skin, to be honest. The video of the glass skin, like everywhere in the internet people are like, how to achieve glass skin and all. So I thought क्यों ना I'll also do. I have done this video for a, like बहुत दिन पहले, but again I will be doing that video of how to achieve the glass skin. To be honest, I know many of you guys say that skin tone and all. I understand skin tone भी बहुत हद तक heredity होता है, but again it's not always heredity, guys. You have to take care of your skin. You have to eat healthy. You have to drink a lot of water. Trust me, I drink so much water that sometimes I feel that I'm chubby because of all the water content in my body, and I strictly feel that I'm chubby because of the water content. Even my husband says, Arya, if I prick you, na, the water will only come out. So that much water I drink, to be very honest. And also use face wash and all of this stuff. I'm so sorry the innerwears are you know, visible, because है यार, बारिश का मौसम है, सूखने में टाइम लगता है, so please ignore that. Or so I was saying about the skin and all. So you know, eat a lot of fruits, to be honest. Just now I will show that I am gonna have a fruit mix, to be honest. I will show you which fruit mix I'm having. I drink a lot of water, and I stress of having fruits and green veggies to a greater extent. I do eat non-veg, but that non-veg is only once in a week, guys. I do not eat non-veg very frequent, because that is something that is gonna heat up your body, and that might lead to pimples, guys. I know we all love you know, non-veg, but again, please guys, do not eat non-veg, because that is very pleasing to your palate. I do understand that. Even I felt that, but that is not something healthy. So I am drinking. I did not prepare, by the way. This is the guy, Raw Rising Star. He sings very good music, guys. You can follow. I will link down the video. So the height difference was too much, that's why I have to adjust. So the healthy skin, fruits. So if you don't like fruits, make it a squash, and you can have. I know just now I had pakoda and chai, but again, I understand it's a cheat day because I have a week off. But again, cheat day हुआ भी तो क्या, थोड़ा healthy भी खा लो ना यार. So today I will be having the squash made by him. So yeah, eat healthy, cheat also, but do not cheat too much कि वो आपके स्किन को अफेक्ट कर जाए, वो आपके वेट को अफेक्ट कर जाए. Do not eat that much. And yeah, also some people ask me about the fridge magnet. So yeah, this is something which I, you know, is available in Chumbak. That is there. And yeah, these are mainly from Chumbak. These are the fridge magnets. So there are a lot of other magnets which is coming, and I will definitely be reviewing that. And that's pretty much. I will keep you updated what else is going in the vlog, because अभी तो सब शाम हुई है. Let's see रात को क्या करते हैं.